Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce and try on a new Lolita dress I just got. And this Lolita dress is one piece. It's from a Chinese brand called Fan梦者, original Lolita brand. So I'm going to put this on the mannequin so you can see the details. I'm going to use the cage skirt to make the dress very poofy. So this is the full length of the Lolita dress. So I'll just make it closer so you can see it good. The color of this dress is pretty light, and even though the color is light, you can still see the prints clearly. I will just show you guys around it. Angel and cake. So this dress is a little bit fancy because of the sleeves. The sleeve is a belt shape. It's got 4 layers of ruffles. The material of the ruffle is very good, and it's got a bow on the sleeve. When I choose Lolita dresses, so I prefer to choose this style of sleeve. It looks more feminine because of the sleeve, so it makes the dress really fancy. It has a lot of little details just on the front part. It's got the lace trim around the neck, and in the front it has 4 lines of lace trim, and it's got 3 bows and 2 heart-shaped buttons. It's also got the lace, the gold lace trim, and the ruffles is made of chiffon. It has 2 layers of ruffles. The first layer of ruffle, it seems as the ruffle on the sleeve, so it matches, and the lace trim on the sleeves matches the lace trim on the collar. So the dress has a lot of details. On this lace trim, it's got the rose. It looks very pretty, and the zipper is in the back. The ruffle is all the way to the back. It has a lining underneath, and the 2 layers of ruffle is on the lining. Those 2 layers ruffle matches the 2 layers ruffle on the collar, so the whole dress matches. So this is a belt that you tie a bow in the front. Still look nice without the bow. Next, let's move on to accessories. So this dress comes to KC and bonnet, and the bonnet also made in the same material, and the lace trim is the same lace trim, and it has a bow in the front and 1 layer of lace. So this lace matches the lace over here. So the details on this dress is all tied together. I would choose this blue. This blue is mixed with gray and a little bit purple. I think it looks pretty natural, and I will put bonnet on it. And the tights, I don't think it's the same shade of blue, so I don't think I will use this tights. And this is my favorite tights. It's got the lace up design, and the shoes I'll be wearing is the white shoes. I would prefer to wear a blue Lolita shoes, but I don't have it, so this is the one that I think will match this dress. It looks pretty. What do you think about this dress? I think it's a very beautiful dress. It's very beautiful. It's more beautiful when you look at it in person. The design is really good. I would like to wear a similar design in different colors. Really love it. And this one is really light blue. It might hard for you to see from the camera. I think this background matches my outfit as well, except the box. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in next video soon. Bye!